Got a truck and want to make it even better? Whether you're into camping, hauling gear, or just making life easier, we've got some great accessories to show you. Today, we're checking out the top 10 truck bed and tailgate accessories you need. From setting up a mobile campsite to organizing your tools, these upgrades will transform how you use your truck. First on our list is the GOHL Trunk Tent, a solid choice if you love camping but want the comfort of sleeping off the ground. It's designed for pickup trucks with 5.5 and 6-foot beds, offering a spacious interior for your outdoor adventures. Made from durable 210T polyester Oxford with a PU 2000 waterproof coating, this tent keeps you dry and protected from the elements. Plus, its fiberglass poles provide sturdy support, ensuring it can handle bad weather conditions like wind and rain. Inside, you'll find plenty of space, enough to move around and store your gear comfortably. It's equipped with a large entrance door and 3 windows for great ventilation, which makes it comfortable even on warmer days. There's also a handy mesh bag and side pocket to help keep your stuff organized. Though it fits specific truck bed sizes and heavy winds may still be a challenge, the GOHL Truck Tent is a fantastic addition for anyone looking to camp off the ground. It's reliable, spacious, and simple to install, making it a great companion for your outdoor trips. Next, we have the HECASA 2-in-1 pickup truck SUV bed hitch, a versatile solution for anyone needing to carry oversized or awkwardly long loads. This bed extender works on any vehicle with a 2-inch receiver trailer hitch and can also fit 1.25-inch receivers with a hitch adapter. Its 2-in-1 design allows you to use it both horizontally and vertically, perfect for different loading needs. With adjustable height and width, this hitch adapts easily. It ranges from 8.5 to 17.3 inches in height and 28 to 47.8 inches in width, making it great for carrying everything from ladders and kayaks to long pipes and lumber. Plus, it can handle some serious weight, up to 750 pounds. Made from heavy-duty steel, the HECASA bed hitch is built to last. It even includes reflective tape on the front and sides, improving visibility and safety, especially when driving at night or in low light. If you need an easy way to extend your truck bed for larger loads, the HECASA 2-in-1 bed hitch is a solid, adjustable, and versatile option. Next, we have the YHT Auto set of 2 truck bed storage toolboxes, designed for those who need secure, organized storage for their truck. Compatible with Chevrolet and GMC models from 2007 to 2019, these toolboxes fit seamlessly into your truck bed and work with almost any tonneau cover. Installation is quick and easy, with eyelets to secure the boxes firmly in place. These lockable truck bed toolboxes keep your gear safe and organized. The lockable case ensures your tools and equipment stay protected, and it even includes a removable tray for smaller items, maximizing the use of space inside. Constructed from high-quality ABS composite material, these toolboxes are durable yet lightweight, protecting your belongings from rain, wind, and dust. What sets these toolboxes apart is their convenience. Mounted on the side of the truck bed, they pivot nearly 180 degrees over the lowered tailgate for easy access. When you're done, fold them up and they won't take up any valuable cargo space. Even on rough roads, they stay securely in place. The maximum load capacity is 75 pounds, but it's recommended to keep the load a bit lighter for longer durability. For those who want tough, convenient, and secure storage, the YHT Auto truck bed storage toolboxes offer the perfect solution, keeping your gear safe and your truck bed organized. Want to enhance your truck's functionality and style? Look no further than the TruXedo Low Pro Tonneau cover. This cover is designed to mount inside the bed, creating a sleek, low-profile look that sits just 3/4 inch above the bed rails. It's not just about looks, it's built to perform. One standout feature is the patented self-adjusting spring tensioner, which keeps the vinyl taut in any weather. No more swagging covers that let rain and dirt in. With industrial-grade tear-resistant vinyl and a durable rubber seal, this cover keeps your cargo protected from the elements. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its no-drill clamp-on system. You can have it mounted in just a few minutes, no tools required. When it's time to access your truck bed, the cover rolls up easily with one hand for near total access. If you want to remove it completely, the quick-release system lets you do so in seconds. With its intuitive one-finger latch operation and its stylish leather-grained finish, the TruXedo Low Pro Tonneau cover combines convenience and aesthetics seamlessly.
Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
Looking for a way to protect your truck bed and cargo while keeping everything in place? The Husky Liners heavy-duty bed mat is built to do just that. This mat not only shields your truck bed from dings, dents, and scratches, but its soft foam layer also makes it easier on your knees when you're working in the bed. With a slip-resistant surface thanks to Husky's DuraGrip HD rubber finish, this mat grips your cargo, keeping everything secure during transport. Unlike many rubber mats, you won't have to deal with that harsh solvent smell, making it a cleaner solution for your truck. The underside of the mat is designed with raised sections and air-dry nibs, which allow air to circulate underneath, preventing moisture buildup. This keeps both the mat and your truck bed dry and free from rust or damage. It's also incredibly easy to install, no tools required. Just place it down and you're ready to go. With its durable chemical-resistant construction and a no-hassle lifetime warranty, the Husky Liners heavy-duty bed mat offers reliable, long-lasting protection for your truck bed and cargo. For those who need tough, no-slip protection, this bed mat is a solid choice. Want to keep your truck bed looking new and clean without the hassle? The WeatherTech Impact Liner Truck Bed Liner is built to protect your investment, while being incredibly easy to maintain. It fits select GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado models, so make sure to confirm compatibility before purchasing. Unlike spray-in liners that can attract dust and dirt, the Impact Liner resists both, making cleanup quick and simple. It's scratch-resistant too, keeping your truck bed looking like it just rolled off the lot. What really sets the Impact Liner apart is its patented raised impact rings. These rings help absorb and disperse the force of heavy blows, protecting your truck bed from serious damage. Plus, they allow air to circulate beneath the liner, preventing moisture buildup and keeping rust at bay. With textured ribbing on the top for extra grip and raised walls along the sides and back, this liner keeps your cargo in place and provides added protection. Whether you're hauling tools or heavy equipment, the WeatherTech Impact Liner delivers top-notch durability and performance. Say goodbye to the days of crawling into your truck bed to grab your tools. The decked toolbox with ladder is here to change the game. Measuring 76 inches long, 20.5 inches high, and 22 inches wide, this full-size toolbox is packed with innovation, making it perfect for truck owners who need strength and convenience. Built from high-impact polymer resin with anti-corrosion steel hardware, the decked toolbox is not only dent-proof, but completely waterproof. Your gear will stay dry and protected from the elements no matter where you go. And thanks to the reinforced locking system secured with a single key, it's nearly impossible for thieves to get inside. What really sets this toolbox apart is the integrated telescoping ladder. It's the only toolbox that lets you access your gear without climbing into the truck bed. Just pop it out and you're ready to go. Plus, the low-profile design keeps your rear window view clear for safer driving. For added organization, the toolbox includes a tool tray and a snack tray, so you can keep everything in place. And with oversized handles and latches, you can open it up even with gloves on. The decked toolbox is built to last. It's dent-proof, rust-proof, and secure against theft, making it the perfect companion for your truck. Looking for a truck bed topper that's easy to install, lightweight, and packs away neatly when not in use? Meet the Flathead Air Topper, an inflatable truck bed topper that delivers high performance without the bulk. At only a fraction of the weight of traditional toppers. The air topper is ultra lightweight, making it easy for one person to handle. Inflate it, strap it down, and you're good to go, all without tools. Plus, thanks to its drop-stitch construction, this topper stays incredibly rigid once inflated, providing robust protection for your gear. When you're done, just deflate it, roll it up, and store it in the compact bag. No bulky equipment taking up space in your garage. It's the perfect solution for those who need versatility on the go. And with its tinted vinyl windows and internal Velcro screens, you get great airflow while keeping bugs out. The air topper is built for adventure, featuring secure D-rings to tie down your boards or kayaks, making it ready for any outdoor trip. Durable, easy to install, and perfect for storing when not in use. The flatted air topper is an inflatable solution for truck owners looking for flexibility and function. Ever get tired of things sliding around in your truck bed? Whether it's groceries, tools, or sports gear, it always seems like something's out of place by the time you get home, right? That's where the Moju Cargo Net comes in handy. It's designed to keep everything right where you left it. No more sliding around while you're on the road. It's super easy to install. Just hook the 4 self-locking hooks to your truck bed's mounting points, and you're all set. No need to deal with complicated setups or tools. Plus, when you're not using it, it folds flat and takes up almost no space at all. It features an elastic and stretchy design, crafted from durable materials to withstand heavy loads. No matter if you're transporting groceries, sports gear, or work tools, it keeps everything secure, even on bumpy roads. Simple, practical, and it just works. The Moju Cargo Net helps you stay organized and keeps you from chasing down loose items in the truck bed. It's one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference. Looking to maximize your truck bed space? The ADI truck bed extender might be just what you need. This smart accessory is designed to secure your cargo at the rear with the tailgate closed, providing stability while you drive. When it's time to haul bigger items, simply open the tailgate and flip out the extender to gain an extra 2 feet of load space. This feature is perfect for larger cargo or keeping your groceries secure without sliding around. Just flip it inside with the tailgate closed to prevent shifting during transit. The U-shaped design is built for strength, with torque-resistant construction using high-grade aluminum tubes and reinforced nylon uprights. The pin system allows for easy installation and removal, and you won't need to drill into your truck bed. Just remove the tail lamp with 2 screws to install the specific bracket. For those wanting to extend their truck bed's usable length effortlessly, this bed extender is a durable and practical choice that won't let you down. And there you have it. Those are some practical truck bed and tailgate accessories that can enhance your experience on the road and off. Thanks for watching. If you have any favorites, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more.